Hi and hello, my name is Savio and welcome to a new video of Fun with Excel. This video is brought to you by Happiness Bharat. As for our older videos, this is the third session and let's go ahead and see what we'll be learning in today's session. So in today's session, we will be covering the following: using paste specials, adding comments onto your cells, freeze panes, changing worksheet name and color, and add and deleting worksheets. So let's go to the first one, using space specials. So what is space specials? So for example, you have a worksheet like this, where you have all the details and you have to, at the end of the day, get a total of the amount. So you put a formula over here as we discussed, just press the auto sum and you get the total over here. So if you have to copy this total to another sheet or to another cell, so when you copy Control C and Control V, paste it over here, it comes blank. So how do we do that? So what you'll have to do is first copy the amount and click wherever you want to paste it, and then say right click your mouse and paste special on values. When you do that, you just widen it. You see there's no formula over here, it's just a pure number, whereas if we click on this, it's a formula. So the formula is taken out and you get your complete number over here without any uh, duplications or any errors in this. So it is as simple as copy, right click, and use the values. Going to the next option where we spoke about adding comments in cells. So what are comments in cells, or using so for example, we have a certain comment we want to insert on a particular line of work that we do. For example, this particular company, Red Sea Housing LLC, if this person says that he's going to pay us the money after a couple of days, or at the end of the month, so we can always put a comment over here. So you right click again on your mouse, insert comments, and you guys say payment by month end, and you just click out anywhere. So when you hover it over here the next time, it shows you what you have typed already. Now what you can do is you can either edit it going ahead and just put on comments as and when the customer gives you updates, or you can delete the comment over here and it's gone. So when you delete it, when you have a comment, it shows you a red spot over here that there's a comment over here. When you delete it, it's blank. So that's how it works. Going to the next thing that we'll be discussing today is the freeze panes. So what are freeze panes again? Now coming back to our main sheet. So for example, when we are using a multiple tabs over here, multiple rows and columns. So when you scroll down, you can see our headers have disappeared, and then we do not know what exactly is this amount, because sometimes you can have multiple amounts over here. So sometimes either the amount is a month, 15 months, 15 days, sorry, 30 days, 60 days. So we do not know what exactly the amount, which column the amount falls, which row the amount falls in. So freeze panes, what it does is, if you go over here, and that's a view, freeze panes, freeze top row. So it will freeze this row for you. So when you scroll down, all the numbers go below the row, and that row is available for you to, what exactly the amount is for. This works both ways. If you unfreeze the row and you want to freeze this particular row, or you want to freeze the name and you want to know exactly how much, so you just click uh, the row after it and say freeze panes. When you do that and you scroll sideways, everything goes under the name. So this is very helpful when you have multiple rows and columns and you know you do not know what exactly you're looking for. So very easy, very simple, no rocket science in this. Coming to the next thing that we discuss, changing worksheet names and the color. So these are your worksheets that you're working on. So you call it 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you have to call it, say for example, January, your data for January, you just double click on this tab and you write Jan. Again, click out there. Then again come over here, double click it, say Feb, click out March, and so on. Also, you can put colors. You can add colors to these tabs. So you just right click on it, tab color. So you put yellow for January. You put say green for Feb. You put red for March, and so on and so forth. And coming to our last thing that we to discuss, how to delete a worksheet. Again, it's very simple, but before deleting, always check if you do not need that worksheet, because if you delete it, it is gone. So you just right click again. So I'll open a new worksheet to delete. I don't want to delete this worksheet. Say June. So I created this by error. So I want to delete it. So there is right click on it and delete. Same way, if you have to insert, you just right click, insert worksheet, and there it is. You can always press the plus sign to add a new worksheet. That's the easiest way. And delete and delete. I hope you all enjoyed this session today and you'll learned a lot more. And I'm happy to bring you these videos as in when you requested for. And if you have any questions, you always know where to find me, and just leave a message and we will go take it from there. Have a nice day. Thank you.